Oh, today we're going to do a video with cookie candies. Like cookie candies. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's go. Let's get started, bro. Let's get started, you motherfucker. This is a toothpick. This is a total motherfucker. This is my brother. This is my bro. Okay, so ugly. Time to lick it. So ugly. Okay. May cookie candy. It's super ugly. Just a gorilla. Ang sarap. I'm totally doing my freaking best. It's super hard. Excuse. I tried to freaking. God, this is so hard. I try my best, but so hard. Shit, my freaking toothpick, bro. Yo, gangster.
Meron ba yung toothpick dun sa kwarto?
I'm a gangster, bro.
I got a...
God, don't freaking do that. This is for the monkey. This is for the gorilla. It's super ugly. Yeah. God sake, bro. Do not cheating, bro. Do not cheating. Okay, fine. I can't find my toothpick.
Meron ba kang toothpick sa kwarto?
Oh yeah. Wait, guys. The ugly. This is the ugly.
Oh,
Super ugly. So let me just.
Okay.
Let's do this, bro. I finally got my toothpick. Ah, shit, motherfucker. Di ako totoo mag-English.
Bro.
Oh, this is for the chanak. Chanak?
Chanak.
God, I keep freaking... I'm gonna cheat. Do not cheat, bro! Fine.
Hoy, Banonoy. Labas na. Itignan ko lang.
Oh,
Labas na.
finally! God.
You cheated.
No.
You cheat.
No. Woohoo. Halfway there.
I'm gonna cheat.
Shut up. I can cheat. What the hell did you shut?
I got...
Oh.
I took toothpick.
Excuse, bro.
Toothpick.
This is actually tasty. This is super crazy.
Nagbibideo kami.
My mom is Tagalog. Yeah, her mom is Tagalog. My mom is Tagalog. Your mom is Tagalog.
Your man is Tagalog.
I'm English.